your money as light, nervous system safety, ethical abundance, and quantum service. Quantum opening breath steadies, heart rhythm softens, the field around you brightens like dawn over still water. Money enters as light, not as threat. Value appears as a living current, not as a scoreboard. The body relaxes and the mind clears. Purpose, dignity, and generosity braid into one silent flame. From this flame, creation becomes natural. From this calm, choices align. From this alignment, prosperity circulates. The soul remembers that wealth is a verb. Receiving becomes listening. Earning becomes offering. Spending becomes voting for worlds. Saving becomes stewardship. Investing becomes a promise to future life. Gratitude becomes the code that keeps the circuit lucid and humane. Dararas. Section 1. Deep view. Money as a river of attention. Money behaves like a river made of collective attention. Where attention flows, energy condenses. Where energy condenses, form grows. A river does not rush to please. A river honors gradient, bank, and bend. It rewards clarity, channel, and rhythm. It respects levees called boundaries and floodplains called creativity. Archetypes that harmonize prosperity inside one body. The steward tends resources like a garden. Order births ease. Ease births insight. Insight births wise action. The alchemist transforms shame and scarcity into lucidity and sufficiency. Feeling becomes ingredient, not enemy. The lighthouse radiates a clear promise. Branding turns into integrity made visible. Marketing becomes invitation, not pressure. The bridge converts gifts into offerings, offerings into income, income into impact. No leakage, no apology. The gardener plants seeds called experiments. Some sprout, some compost, all teach. The archivist tracks numbers with affection. Data becomes devotion to truth. Truth becomes freedom. The free child plays with form. Curiosity becomes prototype. Joy becomes a magnet for allies. When these archetypes collaborate, money stops feeling like weather and starts feeling like craft. The calendar reveals sacred windows. The body chooses when to expand and when to consolidate. The voice learns a soft yes and a clean no. Prosperity becomes atmosphere rather than chase. Section 2. Scientific and Psychological Foundations. Humanistic psychology affirms that dignity, authenticity, and values alignment are not luxuries. They regulate the psyche more effectively than fear. A person who feels unconditionally welcomed by their own inner witness generates more coherent decisions, which unfold as consistent financial behaviors. Transpersonal psychology expands identity beyond biography. Meaning and service stabilize the nervous system during uncertainty. Purpose acts as a high-order attractor that organizes choices around contribution. Peak states introduce vision. Integration turns vision into daily structure. Neurobiological notes for money peace. Neuroplasticity couples with emotion and repetition. Pair new financial habits with felt safety and small doses of joy. Polyvagal regulation allows the prefrontal cortex to stay online while confronting numbers. Coherent breathing, gentle eye gaze, and grounded posture keep the body teachable. Interoception translates gut signals into information. Sensations labeled calmly become guidance for risk and pacing. Reward prediction error trains wise experimentation. Small tests with feedback mature intuition better than abstract debate. Power of the mind applied cleanly. Visualization runs the brain's rehearsal circuits. See the invoice sent, the payment received, the value delivered, the client satisfied, the ledger updated, the gratitude written. Affirmations work when paired with action and sensation. Speak short, truth-leaning lines that you can embody now. Attention training sculpts perception. Track what is present, growing, and repeatable. Avoid feeding catastrophizing images with unchallenged focus. Doratias. Section 3. Applied biodecoding. When the body speaks money. The body archives financial emotions with symbolic precision. Listening without blame translates tension into traction. Zones, themes, and releases. Liver and gallbladder anger about unfairness, fear of decisions, resentment around prices. Release. 2 minutes of gentle shaking, then one clear boundary in writing. Warm compress on right ribs, bitter greens, or warm lemon water with intention. The spleen and pancreas, worry over nourishment, overcare that drains energy, enmeshment in client emotion. Release. Slow meal without screens, hands on lower belly, low vowel toning, one policy that protects your time. Kidneys and adrenals. Fear of collapse, survival bracing, money as emergency siren. Release. Feet on ground, feel heel arch toe sequence while walking, whisper safe now with each exhale. Choose one expense to remove politely. Lower back. Belief that you carry everyone, hidden debts of loyalty. Release. Hip circles, phrase I return what is not mine, schedule one delegation or automation. Throat and jaw. Price shame, boundary freeze, sales apology. Release. Humming through closed lips, warm cloth on throat, speak one price out loud 3 times, then present it to one person with steady breath. Gut and diaphragm. Anticipatory dread before opening numbers. Release. Box breathing for 90 seconds, then open the ledger for 5 minutes only, close with gratitude. Skin. Porous boundaries with family or clients. Release. Self-oil massage. Name 3 permissions allowed. More space, more rest, more sunlight. 3-step alchemy. 1. Acknowledge the emotion and the story linked to the number or situation. 2. Regulate with breath, warmth, and gentle movement, letting sound carry residual charge. 3. Act with one tiny behavior that changes the pattern. Action seals biology. Section 4. Quantum NLP Tools for Ethical Abundance Language organizes reality. Imagery compiles it, state powers it. NLP becomes quantum when guided by values and nervous system honesty. 4.1 Outcome Sculpture for Prosperity. State. The outcome in sensory language. Paid projects completed smoothly, inbox clear, clients grateful, body relaxed, ledger updated. Ecology on check, alignment with service, sustainability and rest. Anchor, a gesture or breath pattern. 2 fingers touch or palm to sternum. Rehearse, a 30-second micro scene of the outcome already alive today. 4.2 Belief re-imprint. Surface, the sentence, money arrives only through struggle. Locate, a counterexample, however small. Bridge, with a true leaning belief, I am learning to receive through clarity and kindness. Install, with posture, breath, and voice tone. Practice 1 minute, twice daily. 4.3 Identity Swish for pricing. Trigger image, your face tightens as you lower your rate. Target image, you present value with warmth and calm spine, price clear, breath steady. Swish, 5 to 7 cycles, target bright and near, trigger dim and far. Future pace, 1 conversation this week, anchor fired. 4.4 Parts integration. Meet from the inner giver and the inner steward. Came the positive intent of both, care and continuity. Negotiate, a rule, care with a limit, generosity inside a budget. Anchor, the handshake with breath and a tactile cue. Serasagat, Seru, 4.5 timeline. Softening, float, above an old money scene. Send, a gold thread from present heart to past self. Shift, 1 detail towards safety. Return, and encode with your anchor before opening the ledger. 4.6 Microscripts for clean money conversations. Offer, I can support you with A, B, and C. The fee is X, delivery on Y. Boundary, that request sits outside the scope. I can add it for Z or schedule a new container. Late payment, I see the delay. Here is the updated plan. Payment by Friday maintains access. Otherwise, we pause and resume after settlement. Discount, I reserve scholarships for specific cases. If needed, we can explore a smaller scope at a lower fee. 4.7 Ethics of Price and Promise. Yeah, promise only what you can deliver with your current capacity. Price for the container, not the minutes. State refund or revision policy, with compassion and clarity. Sign, with a sentence of values, service, dignity, transparency. Section 5. Spiritual perspective and Christ consciousness. Money becomes love in motion when unity infuses behavior and boundaries remain holy. Christ consciousness remembers that every exchange is sacred when it honors both sides. Generosity arises without martyrdom, wealth circulates without arrogance, craft grows without greed, power bows to purpose. Buddhist emptiness brings clarity, money lacks inherent self, it becomes medicine or poison according to relationship, not essence. This emptiness allows flexibility. Some seasons ask for expansion, some ask for pruning. Nothing solidifies into identity, everything becomes practice. Star mentors and the choir of service. The Arcturian engineers. Stabilize your field's geometry so that decisions hold form. Pleiadian kin. Tune tenderness into brave outreach so that marketing sounds like love rather than grasping. Andromedan guardians. Widen horizons so patience and pacing align with destiny rather than panic. Seraphic currents. Braid gold through the aura whenever reverence replaces reaction. Prayer turns into policy. Devotion turns into spreadsheets. Compassion turns into contracts that protect all participants. The sacred enters invoicing, payroll, and taxes through integrity, not through slogans. Sote. Section 6. Integrative ritual. The 22-minute money as light practice. Minutes 1 to 5. Coherent breath and heart light. Spine long. Inhale 4 to 6. Exhale same or one longer. See a warm light at the sternum expanding gently. Whisper 3 words. Coherent, kind, clear. Minutes 6 to 8. Somatic sweep. Scan. Crown to soles. Name sensation softly. Warm, tight, spacious, tingling. Shake hands and feet for 60 seconds. Place palms on lower belly. Ground. Minutes 9 to 12. Quantum NLP encoding. State one money outcome for today in sensory language. Fire the anchor. Rehearse a 30-second scene of easeful action. Minutes 13 to 15. Biodecoding release. Choose one zone. Apply warmth. Hum or sigh. Speak one boundary or one permission aloud. Minutes 16 to 18. Christic compassion. Right hand on heart, left on navel. Inhale, one life. Exhale, through this life. Offer a quiet blessing to a client, collaborator, or supplier. Minutes 19 to 21. Numbers with grace. Open the ledger for exactly 2 minutes. Note one truth, one next step. Close with gratitude. Smile to the archivist within. Minute 22. Seal. Choose one concrete action. Send the estimate. Publish the offer. Pay the invoice. Set the savings transfer. Bow the head slightly. Walk. Applied arenas and examples. Creative worker. Create a value ladder with 3 tiers. Micro offer, core offer, premium container. Anchor before outreach. Script 3 sentences. Track a minimum daily outreach number. Close the day with a gratitude ledger, listing names served and lessons received. Healer or therapist. Frame sessions as outcomes within a clear arc. State scope, cancellation policy, and between session boundaries. Practice the throat release before price conversations. Offer a low-cost community resource or group option to widen access without self-erasure. Educator or coach. Run monthly pilots. Gather data. Iterate. Pair generosity with structure. Office hours on a schedule. Scholarship policy written. Install the lighthouse. About page clarifies values, methods, and limits. Local entrepreneur. Design a transparent pricing sheet. Train one staff member weekly in service tone and boundary scripts. Keep a beauty budget. Clean, light, scent, and sound regulate customers and staff toward goodwill. Pocket tools and micro rituals. 2 breath reset. Before any money decision. 1 clearing sigh. 1 coherent breath. 5-word truth. For moments of pressure, I can choose a pace. Boundary bell. Visualized at arm's length. Expand when porous. Narrow when crowded. Gratitude ledger. Every night, 3 precise thank yous with names. Receipt blessing. After purchases, may this circulate blessing for many. Inbox altar. Once per week. Sort, reply, archive with a candle lit and one playlist that signals care. Generosity index. Set to a percentage that feels clean. Automate transfers to causes you love. Dardarasiya structure suite. 40-day arc of integration. Days 1 to 7. Breath, heart light, somatic sweep, 2-minute ledger touch. Days 8 to 14. Outcome sculpture and belief reimprint. One conversation scripted and delivered. Days 15 to 21. Parts integration and identity swish for pricing and scope. Days 22 to 28. Weekly pilot launched. Simple metrics tracked. Boundary scripts tested. Days 29 to 40. Prune the ornamental. Protect the essential. Share one case study. Celebrate one lesson publicly. Consistency breeds momentum. Momentum matures into culture. Culture shapes destiny. Girorasi. Ethical pricing and clean containers. Define scope, milestones, and support windows. In writing. Set revision and refund paths that respect both sides. Invoice cadence. Reliable and friendly. Late policy. Compassionate and firm. Data hygiene for privacy and consent. Celebrate completion. With a short debrief. Lessons, gratitude, next step. Clean containers reduce psychic load and increase creative voltage. Money begins to feel like clear water that everyone can drink. Darilas, community wealth and nervous system at scale. Regulated people build regulated systems. Transparent practices reduce ambient fear. Fair policies reduce moral injury. Beauty and kindness reduce cynicism. When one person breathes calmly with the ledger open, the room exhale shifts. When a team aligns promise, price, and delivery, the neighborhood relaxes. Wealth ripples as safety first, then as numbers. Communities thrive when circulation becomes the norm. Skills circulate, praise circulates, money circulates, repair circulates. The field notices the elegance of reciprocity and lends its wind to those sails. Mercerasus, psychomagic and symbolic actions. The coin of clarity. Place a coin under a small clear glass on your desk. Each time you complete an income-creating task, touch the glass and whisper thank you for the flow. The envelope of release. Write an old money shame on paper, fold it into an envelope with rosemary or laurel, and place it on soil for a moon cycle. Afterward, compost it. The contract of devotion. Sign a one-page agreement with yourself declaring values, promises, and limits. Read it aloud monthly with a candle lit. Symbolic acts tutor the unconscious and steady the hand that signs real contracts. Dakasi, codes, decrees, and geometry. Arcturian octahedron, 2 feet in front of the heart. Cobalt light, stabilizing non-reactivity in negotiations. Pleiadian flower of life, rising from the feet, refining tenderness into courageous outreach. Seraphic thread. Sun goal, down through the crown, reminding innocence without naivety. Decree of prosperous coherence. I align value with service, price with dignity, promise with capacity, income with impact, rest with rhythm. My body is a sanctuary. My voice is a bridge. My work is a blessing in motion. Sakara, closing of high vibration. Master phrase. I create from calm, trade with clarity, and circulate blessing. Quantum challenge for the next 24 hours. Choose one tiny financial truth to face and complete one aligned action. Send the invoice, publish the offer, cancel the leak, move the savings, anchor the feeling for 10 seconds. Let the body memorize quiet prosperity. Activation code. KALUMRASETH. Whisper on one slow exhale. Feel crown, heart, and belly harmonize. See the cobalt octahedron brighten. Walk forward. Lighthouse steady. Steward smiling. Alchemist warm. Con amor, under you.